Have you ever faced a problem of not being able to unlock your suitcase just because you forgot the number code? Yes, it is a very common problem. I have faced so many times in my life. And I am sure that many of you have also faced similar problems. What do you do in such situation? Come on. Don't say that you will try all the numbers from 0 to 999 for a 3-digit lock. That is not only ridiculous, but will take us such long time, which you may not have, as you may already be in hurry to open the suitcase, to take out your stuffs. It is also tiring and painful. So, now I am going to show you a very easy trick to unlock your suitcase in just 2 minutes, even if you have totally forgot the code. Okay. Let's start now and live demo for you. Watch the number lock in your suitcase, which will be similar to the one shown in this video. Now, watch closely and note that, below each of the number wheels, there is a small hole. See that the suitcase is locked and I am not able to open the suitcase. By rotating each of the number wheels slowly, you must look out for the hole below the wheel. The hole is very small one, and you may find it difficult to locate it. Better, you switch on your mobile phone torch and point it towards the wheel's bottom side. Keep on rotating the wheel till you see the hole below it. Once you find the hole, don't rotate it further and keep the wheel in that position. Now, the hole below the wheel is facing you. Do the same thing for next 2 wheels. Now, see that all the wheels are aligned, so that all the underneath holes are now facing me. In this position, the wheel numbers are now 222. Check whether the lock is opening. If not, rotate all the wheels by 1 digit so that the number position becomes 111. Whether the lock is opening now. If not, rotate all the wheels again by 1 digit and check whether the lock gets open. Now, see that my suitcase lock code was 000, and so it gets open now. However, don't worry. This trick will work for any code which was preset in the Slack earlier. Let me summarize the method again. First, align all the wheels so that the holes below all the wheels are facing you. Check whether the lock is opening. If not, rotate all the wheels by 1 digit and check whether the lock is opening and keep on doing it till the lock gets open. You will need to do it a maximum 10 times to open the lock. But if you are lucky, the lock will get open in just a few attempts only. See, in my case, it got opened in 2 attempts only. So, how do you think? Is it not very simple and very quick one? Please try it now. Even if you are remembering the number, please try this method once to learn it. So that, whenever you are needed in future, you can do it very quickly and confidently. If you are satisfied with this simple method, please give your feedback in the comment box and like this video. We will bring many such useful videos in future. Hence, please subscribe to our channel to receive notifications for every new videos uploaded by us. Thank you guys for watching the video and see you all very soon.